So here's something that's a little bit different. They're gonna make me buy that. Sloan just called me over because she found all of these. Yes, please. I'm kind of out of my league here. What is going on, YouTube? If you're new to the channel, my name's Evan and I'm an online reseller. That means I go to places like garage sales and thrift stores to find stuff to sell online. I also love to travel. I love a good adventure, but that gets expensive. So I like to offset that travel and adventure by finding stuff to sell in the locations that I go to. Except today might be a bit of a challenge because we're in kind of a rural area. Welcome to West Virginia. West Virginia, day 2. As you can tell, these guys are a little tuckered out. We've been hiking all morning, exploring New River Gorge, cool bridge, cool waterfalls. But now, after another 1.5 mile hike back to the car, we're going to the town of Fayetteville. Going to grab some lunch and explore the town, and maybe, just maybe, I can find something to sell online to recover some of the cost of this trip. She's really excited about it, I can tell. We did actually go to a Goodwill yesterday on the way here, stopped for lunch, found 2 smart wool base layer sweaters. If you don't know, smart wool is definitely a bolo, but she'll give me about 60 bucks between the 2 of them. Help pay for some gas on the way here, and hopefully we can find some more stuff to defer the cost. But we've got that hike ahead of us. So downtown Fayetteville, West Virginia, found an antique mall, but I'm kind of out of my league here. They've got some really cool stuff, but I don't know enough about it to be able to buy anything. There's a Partridge Family lunchbox for $150. Looks cool though. So we found a Goodwill, hoping for some goodies. Also, there's a okay Chinese buffet. I mean, it's not great, it's not good, it's just okay. At least they're honest. Harley, Made USA. That's pretty cool, actually. $3.29. Duluth Trading. That's pretty good too. It's gonna be $4.79. Prices here are pretty good. Look what Kayla walks up with.
It's right here. And right here.
This one's got spots all over it. Shucks.
Nike.
That's a 2XL. Oh, looks good. Myrtle Beach. That was so quick. I mean, I just keep finding. That is so cool. Made USA. Here's another one. It's like a tie-dye. That is cool. Oh, wow. There's more. And they're all extra larges. Hey. That's pretty good. $3.29. We'll take it. The hits just keep on coming. How cool is that? 2002. It's stained, but I think it'll come out. We're grabbing it. Told you guys about these before. LL Bean chamois shirt, $4.19. This one's vintage, made in the USA, and check out the cool LL Bean logo. Definitely getting that. So here's something that's a little bit different for us. This Goodwill only has clothes racks. Like, there's no separate section for hard goods or electronics. All the hard goods and electronics are on top of the clothes racks. So we've just kind of been cruising through the clothes racks and looking at the hard goods at the same time. Kind of different for us. They've also got their shoes up on top of the rack like this, but I haven't found anything good. These Vans are dirty, but they're only $3.99. All their shoes are $3.99. Kind of crazy. Those are $2.99 for flip-flops. Yeah, really cheap, but I haven't found any good ones. For Mizuno's, $3.99, rough shape. Sloan just called me over because she found all of these. Wow. Somebody donated their whole collection. They're all extra large. And I know that they're not going to bring big money, but when you find it and they're in that good shape, are you really going to turn it down for $3.29 a piece? I mean, it's pretty cool stuff. Sweet. So we are in the back of Goodwill, and I hear music, but it's not coming from Goodwill. It's actually coming from outside. Let me show you guys what's going on. So there's actually two guys playing music outside of the Goodwill. I mean, I'm here for it. I get it. I like it. All right, y'all name the tune. Hopefully there's no copyright. $99 spent on, it was like 20 or 30 Harley shirts. It was actually going to be like $117. She gave me the senior discount. I don't know why I didn't ask for it, but I won't complain. I know it's not huge money. They're going to be slow sellers, but they're all made in the USA. They're all extra larges, so figure $18, $19 a piece. That's a pretty good win. We may celebrate by going to the OK Chinese buffet. Not the great, not the good, but just the OK Chinese buffet. Another Goodwill, this time in Beckley, West Virginia. Decided to make the trip down here. And once again, shoes are $3.99 a piece.
My daughter collects stuffed animals.
And this is a pair of Scarpa climbing shoes. Not in great condition, but we're going to look them up anyway. So I got my assistant looking up the Scarpas. They're in rough condition, but I just want to show you that Scarpa is a pretty good brand. There they are right there. Pre-owned, $75, $45, $40. They're like a climbing or hiking shoe. They sell really well. So if you ever see Scarpa, probably worth picking up if they're in good condition. These are not. But Brooks, Beast, 20s. They need a little condition. Excuse me, they need a little cleaning. But for $3.99, can't beat it. That is just crazy cool. Extra large, made in USA. $3.89. That's too cool to leave behind.
They're actually cute. Alright, so just around here a little bit, tell me what you want me to work on with this.
$18. These are going to take up so much room, but I may can actually get rid of the bag or redonate it later. And these aren't a fast seller by any stretch of the imagination, but 18 into probably 100 on the irons, 40 for that. This is a big Bertha, that's 25. This pink cushion putter, that's another 25. Can't leave it behind. I didn't want to buy golf clubs because we're traveling and they're going to take up a lot of room, but these were in too good of a shape to pass up. Only $18. I think I can squeeze 200 out of everything. And then the vintage Mount Rushmore shirt and the Brooks B shoes, pretty good too. So, taking up all the room, y'all. What do you think? Good morning, and it is West Virginia day 3. Today is actually a travel day for us. We're headed up north, about 3 hours away to Thomas or Davis. I get the two confused, but we're going to a place called Blackwater Falls State Park, staying at the lodge there. And we've actually been staying at a lodge here in Fayetteville area called Hawks Nest State Park. And we're at the lodge now having some breakfast. Just check out the view. You check out the view and we're gonna go head off into our next adventure. So before we actually take off on the road, I just want to show you guys back here organizing all this stuff that we got yesterday, and actually ended up with 21 Harley Davidson shirts. They're all extra large. Most of them are made in USA. That one definitely is. And I think it's a pretty good haul. I think I'm going to get around $18 or $20 a piece for each one of these. This one's actually new with tags. And you know, that's going to be maybe $200 in profit after everything. And that doesn't include the stuff over here that we actually bought for personal use. There's like 10 or 12 items over here that totals into that $99 that I spent. So I'm gonna say that's a pretty good haul. Might take a while to sell, but they're definitely all extra larges, good size. I think it's a pretty good pickup. So we're heading north. Actually stopped at Babcock State Park, and that place was absolutely beautiful, like something out of a postcard. But now we're in Summersville, West Virginia, and we found two thrift stores. First one is called The Last Shepherd Thrift. Let's check it out. They've got a ton of motorcycle stuff. Here's a Harley pullover jacket thingy. And they want $45 for it. I mean, it's like a sweatshirt. Yeah, no. They've also got a ton of boots. That's how much these are. $25. They're pretty well used. Justin boots. I don't think they're worth it though. Might be priced a little high for me. $2 for that t-shirt. Don't have much hope here, but I'll let you know if you find something. What did we end up finding at the last store?
LOL surprise boy, OMG.
I don't know what she said, but she got some kind of toy at the last store. I didn't find anything to resell, but there's a Goodwill right around the corner. See what we can find in here. Steelers jacket, that's really nice. They only want $4.79 for it. What do you think? Yeah? Done. You wanna hold it? My thrift caddy. Found this Marmot jacket. They want $6.89, and Slum found they sold comp of $74.95. So yeah, let me grab that. So this Goodwill is actually like all the other ones. They've got the hard goods on top, the clothing rack, including all the shoes. Like these boots are, those are Merrell's. They're gonna be $4.99. Yes, please. Here's Vans. Those look good. No laces, but $3.99. Yeah. Kayla just handed me these three items. A Patagonia base layer, women's little Patagonia shirt, $3.89. $3.89. Unfortunately, this one's messed up on the stomach. This one's got a stain, but she also found some Lululemon for $3.49. So we're gonna get that. Hey, that was a pretty good stop, huh? Got the Merrell boots, look like they sell for 40 or 50. The Vans shoes, a couple of shirts. I can't get over how inexpensive the Goodwills are here in West Virginia. And we found some pretty cool stuff for sure. Definitely adding on to our tally to help defer the cost of this trip. But we've got a good little ride ahead and a couple more sights to see. We're still going. So lunch pit stop at the Whistle Stop Grill in Buckhannon, West Virginia, and this is the most hole-in-the-wall place ever, but they had an amazing burger. And then we look over here and we see donations drop off here. Coming to find out, there's a Salvation Army right next door. Kayla says she didn't plan that, but I'm starting to doubt her. Nothing at the Salvation Army, but there's a few more pit stops in this town, and I think a Goodwill may be involved. Spotted Golf Club. This is the first place I've been to. Well, no, there was one other place. They don't have any golf clubs in West Virginia. I gotta check them out. And nothing. Nope. But they do have their own hard goods section instead of being up on top of the clothes racks, which is nice. here's the gym. How much is it? $8. They're gonna make me buy that DVD recorder. Yeah, we're gonna have to get that. That's $100 right there, if it works. So the pricing at this place is definitely different than the other ones we've been to. Here's a North Face t-shirt. They want $9.99 for it. It's not gonna work for me. So, I don't know. It's cool. Nike Mountaineers. They want $7.99 for it. Oh, price is kind of all over the place. Alright, this is cool. Tommy Jeans made in the USA. I mean, it may be a knockoff, but it's the long sleeve tee. Got the things on the sleeves. They want $7.99 for it, which is a little much, but I just think it's cool. Never seen that one before. Plush toys are $3, but check this guy out. Mack truck, Bulldog. He's got to be worth it, right? I don't know. I'm getting him. Yes, this is definitely a different branch of Goodwill in West Virginia. I guess they're in regions just like they are in South Carolina. They want $15 for these Onyx. Really good condition, but I don't think the comps are there. So I looked up the Max Truck plush, and he is actually not worth that much. So he's going back. And I'm getting the Tommy shirt, paying $8 for that. I'm kind of paying up. And then the DVD recorder, that's $8 as well. I did plug it in, it powers on, so hopefully it works. If it does, that's what, 70, 80, 100 bucks. I can't remember what they're going for. But yeah, getting those two things, and we'll see you at the next stop. So our next stop is actually a West Virginia treat, delicacy. I don't know. How do you put it?
I don't know.
But it's called a pepperoni roll. And it started back in the 20s or 30s when miners needed a way to eat lunch. So they took a piece of pepperoni, put it in a roll, and there you have a one-handed lunch called the pepperoni roll. And it like grew, and it's a West Virginia tradition, and they're available everywhere. And apparently we found the best ones in the state, or that's what the Google reviews say. So we're gonna go try it out, let you know what we think.
It's hot. It's like pizza.
Like pizza.
Yeah, it tastes like pizza.
How about you?
Like pizza on bread.
On bread. So not like nothing to go out of your way for?
It's good.
Make sure you get some of that
This
pepperoni
is
on there.
shredded pepperoni. Some places have the stick.
You just spilled it everywhere. You like it?
It's hot.
Alright, give it back to Sloan.
Some places have the sticks. This was the shredded.
Yeah, we read that some places have shredded pepperoni, some places have sticks.
Water.
Oh, let me try. It's messy. We're going out here. Yeah, it tastes like pizza. The pepperoni is really strong though.
Yeah.
Not bad. Not bad. Pepperoni rolls. I mean, honestly, who would have thought? But really, I tried a few more from a few different places during our trip, and the taste kind of grows on you. I'm a pepperoni roll fan, I'm not gonna lie. But that's actually gonna do it for this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification so you get an alert for the next one. Because in that one, I actually find the two best things that I've found the entire trip. They're pretty amazing if I do say so myself. Also, I'm gonna break down the profit, show you kind of how thrifting during vacation can actually help pay for vacation. So make sure you stick around for that one. Till then, we'll see you.